What's going on, guys? BrandedAlchemy here, back with another weekly vlog after a little bit of a break. A few weeks ago, Sunday, I had recorded the vlog, but during editing, for whatever reason, it corrupted the file. It didn't really corrupt it, but it made my voice start sounding more robotic and deeper the further into the video it went, to where you couldn't even understand what I was saying. No idea what that was. Hopefully it doesn't do it this time. But yeah, and yesterday, I know today isn't Sunday, today's Monday, but yesterday I wasn't able to record either, so that's just how it worked. And today is normally when I'd put up a sound shapes video, and I recorded so much, but for the symmetrical touch level, this thing happened. Comprende. Oh. Epic fail. No, you stupid thing. I think it's supposed to go over there, but I got stuck. Okay, now I gotta restart the whole thing. After that happened, I tried recording what I had said earlier in the video. I said that next episode we would be playing BrandedAlchemy by Blue Boo and Darren AW16 by Progressive CX. And the BrandedAlchemy level kept crashing sound shapes, which sucks, but I'll try to keep recording that and put it all together to make it look normal, I guess. But so far that level's awesome. I love that level, and I played Darren AW16. I think my Vita just needs to take a nap. I never turn it off. Do you guys ever turn your Vitas off? I don't. Maybe I should. So yeah, that's what's happening there. Also, I've been working on a new background for my channel. It's a little different more than I usually do. Here I'll put the current one, and over here the new one, so you can compare the two. Let me know which one you like better. I like them both equally, pretty much, but I would like to see something different, maybe. So yeah. Also, this, in about 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks, the PS4 is going to be released here in the US, and when I first moved to South Carolina, we had a plan to, go to Walmart or wherever to pre-order a PS4. We did know Walmart, Target, and I think that was all that was still taking pre-orders. So we were right at the desk to get the PS4 or pre-order it. And I said, no, let's wait. I regret that decision so much. Literally a few days later, they stopped taking pre-orders, and you can't get it anywhere. I've looked literally everywhere. Pretty much, we've been resorting to Taco Bell, where you can get these codes and win the PS4. Not really. We just went to Taco Bell and got that thing and got a code. Didn't win, though, as you might expect. So yeah, if I did win, that'd be fantastic, but I don't think so. But yeah, now we are 70 subscribers, which is awesome, and 9,200 views. So just a few days away from the 10,000, and like I said in the Terraria episode, once we reach 100 subscribers, that giveaway is still going on. So if you want Terraria, that's how you can do that. So yeah. Now, this week's question, more than I guess it was, or more than just current and new or whatever. This question is kind of a broad topic. What is your favorite topic to talk about? Like when you're with friends, do you like talking more about, I don't know, video games, politics, space? What is it that you like talking about? Personally, I think the most thing I talk about is video games, but it ranges all the time to what I want to talk about. So yeah, I'm just curious what you guys, what's your favorite topic? Mine I think is video games. So yeah, so I hope you have enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully it fills your need for missing one for the past week. So yeah, also, if you haven't noticed, on the camera it might actually show up as red, but this is pink, a pink sweatshirt, because I'm cold, and I'm an idiot and didn't bring a sweatshirt getting to winter time, so yeah, I'm smart. Oh yeah, and the time change, so my whole day's thrown off. It feels way later than it is, so I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys throughout the week.